Hey, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Gryphon in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK. We'll talk about the cost, where to find the riding trainer, what level do you need in order to ride the Gryphon, and also where to find it on the map in Outland and also Northrend. For your first time flying in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, you'll need level at least 58 and you'll be able to fly only in Outland. And you'll need to head to Outland. I will show you on the map immediately where we are. This is the riding trainer, the first flying riding trainer which you'll meet. And I believe this is what you'll have to learn. Yes, you'll need level 60 and also 225 gold to fly Northrend and also for the first time. And this is the lady who will sell you the Gryphon, about 55 gold each. Pick a color, that's up to you. And after that you'll be able to fly Northrend. We are located in Hellfire Peninsula, right here in Honorhold, and as I told you, in Outland. And later on in the game, when you'll turn to level 50, you'll be able to fly in Northrend. And you'll have to head to the Dalaran city. You can get here easily if you'll ask a mage to create your portal. On the map, this is the location Dalaran in Crassus Landing, right here in Northrend. Once you get here, you'll have to speak with this lady and she will sell you this tome of cold flying for $1,000 and you'll need level 68 in order to learn it. Once you get this thing and learn it, you'll be able to fly freely in Northrend. And if you'd like to fly faster in Northrend and get this Gryphon, the cost will be a lot higher. Speak to this lady again. And I believe this one is, yes, the cost is about 5,000 gold, and also I believe you'll need the cold weather flying, which is also about 1,000. And you'll have also to buy this Gryphon. And if you'd like to purchase the faster Gryphon, you'll have to head in Borean Tundra. And right here at this dwarf, he will sell it to you for about 80 gold, and you can choose the color. Also on the map we are located right here in Valence Keep in Borean Tundra. So this is how to get the Gryphon in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King for the Alliance.